So what happened? I mean, when he pulled out in front of me, motherfucker, there was nobody behind me. He had to pull out in front of me, and I said, fuck you. And he said, fuck you too. No, fuck you before, motherfucker. Eat shit and bark at the goddamn moon. Whoop, whoop. Fucking moron. Should have ran him right off the fucking road. Son of a bitch. Got my blood pressure high and miney. Better go get a fucking ice cream to cool my brain down. Hi, Sunny Bunny, motherfucker. Oh, what a day. Just a hell of a day today. Get on this goddamn road and all you get is motherfuckers. And that's about it. Motherfuckers, motherfuckers. I don't know, kiddo. He's got 2 fucking horns on his car. He thought he was a fucking deer. Unreal. Come on, old Grandma Goose, get your fucking ass out here. More fucking holy roads. So does your mom still work at the pizza hole? Hell no. She quit. Well, ain't that a fucking blessing in itself? Well, they ought to have all the shit out of the house then if fucking she don't work. The hell they do? Nothing. This guy took a piss. Look at it all out of. Hey, way to go, Dad. No, his fucking radiator's leaking. Never know. He could have stood there and kissed forever. Time to go home.